This is that other engine I was telling you I got. It's been sitting in a shed for a while. I'm going to pull the water pump off and have a look. I want to document as much of this as I can for YouTube. I'm not going to make any money out of it because I don't have enough subscribers, but still, can't hurt to have the camera running while I'm doing it. I figure may as well document the entire rebuild in case I screw up somewhere, which could happen. Who knows? Yeah. Get these backed off. I'm not using a click wrench because I can't be bothered finding it. It's in the bag somewhere. Almost there. One more. Oh no, two more. Still with another one at the top. It still turns nicely. Probably pull it off and find it's practically brand new. Or it's so rusted there's no impeller left. One of the two. Right. So, moment of truth. Moment of truth, I'll have to wait for 30 seconds. Everything's always stuck. You can see that I don't have my hammer handy. Gaskets. Gone. It's horrible. It could probably be, I mean the pump itself, new gasket, clean this surface up. Could probably use it, get 10,000 K out of it. Maybe. Or 5 minutes up the road, who knows. So that's ruined. No good. Move you about here, so you can get a better view. Looks like something's been living in here. I mean, it doesn't look too bad. I mean, I've seen worse. It obviously just hasn't had water in it, but I don't think it's had anything in there for a fair while. By the look of it, it's very pitted. Perhaps someone's been running water in it for a while and then stopped. Who knows? I'll pop these in here for now so I don't lose them. Which I probably will lose them. I lost the others from the other engine in the pile of bolts somewhere. That's the water pump. Fun. Alright. Next thing, get the rattle gun out and get that pulley off. Could get loud. Move you over here again. Bigger than 17. 19. My very favourite Ozito rattle gun. I will cry if anything ever happens to this. Best tool ever. Whoops. It looks like I will have to get the puller out to get that off. So for now, I'm going to leave that there. Thankfully though, it's not critical to taking this aluminium bit off. So I will need the puller to get that off. So I'm going to go find the puller. I might have actually left it at the other place, which could be annoying. Oh well. So there's that. We've got this cover at the back here we can take off, so I'll move everything.